your boy Ranger Reloaded, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing something. It's going to be my first time doing something like this, which is pistol drills. I got my boy Joe with me. He took me to this beautiful, beautiful range, and the lane allows us to run drills. So I saw that, I'm like, all right, look, we got to shoot a video like that. So without further ado, I'm going to show y'all what drill we're going to be doing today. This drill is called a 6x6, 3x3 short distance. So what's going to happen is this target it'll go back in like 6 feet increments, and this will be sideways. It'll go the first 6 feet, flash this way, 3 shots, go further, flash itself, 3 more shots, all the way until it gets to a distance of 42 feet. So I don't know if that makes sense, but y'all gonna see it anyway. The goal for the game is just to focus on anything. These are basically like A-zone targets. So if we can get everything inside of this, I would say this 8, 9, that'd be a good run. Other than that, let's get into the video. Oh, I have to show y'all the newest addition to the shadow systems. I ended up going Siley Optics, Cat Pro up top, red dot, 3 MOA. I don't know if y'all can see that, but just know it's there. Oh yeah, there you go. It's right there. I got it zeroed in as best as I could. Kind of on the time currently. I'm gonna run it just to see how zeroed in it is. Once again, I want to appreciate y'all for all the love and support that y'all been giving me. I can't thank y'all enough. I feel, that make me feel special. Without further ado, we're gonna get into the video, and we're gonna load and make ready and get started.
All right, let's see what it do.
I dropped one. I mean, yeah, I ain't hit one. I missed one. I didn't get that shot off. Okay.
Those are solid, bro.
So I see what's going on. I see what's going on. All right. When I sight this out at 7, I was at 7 yards.
You're at 7 yards.
So when I sighted this in, I was at 7 yards. As you can see, as it progressively got further, that one was on. This one slightly started going off. This one slightly started going off, and then once I got to the furthest point, it went way out. But that's because I sighted it at 7. So I'm not gonna lie. For the first time me sighting something in, I would say it's good. I may tweak it just a little bit.
I mean, in the red zone, yeah, you straight.
Yeah. And I don't know if y'all noticed, I did have a no shoot, so deduct points for that. You know. All right. So I was fishing for new drills. I wanted to do something a little bit more advanced. The drill that I got pulled up right now is a 2-mag reload drill. So basically, I will have a mag already loaded, Target's gonna go out sideways, show itself. I'll put two rounds in, we'll say this target, and then I'll have to reload the next mag in, unlock the slide, and put 2 more rounds before it basically goes back like this. I hope y'all understand what I'm saying, but y'all will see what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna run this with the fuse. I got 2 bullets loaded up for both mags, so I'm gonna run this one real quick.
You have a round thing with that? There you go. There you go. You really stop. There you go. Put that on the gas pedal. There you go. Make sure you have a slight one for it at the hip. There you go. As you take that support beam, your charger runs out the back. There you go.
Not bad. One of my first 2 rounds with it. I don't know, but it's a small target. Let me see if I can adjust it to go further. Alright, so I'm doing the same drill. I'm gonna be shooting at this target just to show y'all what's already there. And then Joseph conjured up some type of he's basically trying to make me work harder.
It's a speed drill. Ain't nothing to it.
Yeah, but I'm try to get everything inside the 9, maybe 8 with the shadow systems. And like I said, I'm running the same drill. It's just gonna be a little bit further, and then it's gonna be turning a little bit. So let's see what we got.
Oh, only got one.
Why are you doing me like that, bro?
Hey, look, man, the skills. It's the skills. Look at the shot placement, though.
Yeah.
And this is why you gotta do them like this. The shot placement is nice.
Yeah. I honestly think I got that red dot sighted in as best as I wanted to. Anything right here, that's me rushing. As you can see, you're on a time crunch when you gotta drop the mag, put another one in, find your dot, and then place a shot on target. So it's not easy. I promise you, this is not easy. But yeah, overall, I like this. This is an amazing range. Never done anything like this, so you'll definitely be seeing more range drills. And I'm happy. So without further ado, this was basically like a little prelim, to get us ready for the main event. I don't know if y'all know, it's the Super Bowl. It's the Super Bowl in here because y'all know what time it is. Where it go?
Oh yeah, don't worry. It is.
You see it.
We ready.
I'm gonna call this Super Bowl shooting right here. If y'all noticed in the last video, it got a little heated, just a little bit. But like I said at the end of the video, all we talk the rest, and we gonna see what. I'm not even gonna be cocky. I was gonna say we're gonna see what I'm taking home today, but I'm not even gonna say all that. You know what I mean? How you feel about that?
Oh, I feel you, but Pink Slip Fridays. We saw what you did last Friday. Hey, what do you want to give up? That shadow, or you want to give up the fuse? Whatever. Hey, it's up to you.
Okay. But none of y'all don't really know what we mean by Pink Slip Friday. So Pink Slip Friday it's a day where we'll have a competition. For example, Battleship. And what we'll do is, simple as hitting all the red bullseyes. whoever sinks all the ships first, they win. Not only do you win, but you get to take your opponent's gun for, I don't know. We'll talk. We'll talk. But that's the whole concept of Pink Slip Friday. We're going to be doing that every Friday. Super Bowl Sunday. So it was only right to do it today. And I wanted to get this part 2 knocked out because I got a life. Like, I can't drop like I want to, but I promise you, we're going to get this knocked out. All right, so we set up. We had 10 yards. Each shooter has 5 shots. And in order for you to keep shooting, you have to at least hit 3 of the targets out of the 5 shots to progress in shooting.
We playing Reds.
Reds.
Ooh, that was a tough one.
On bottom. I only hit 1.
You shooting that mag tech?
Shooting that?
You don't like it, do you?
Nah.
I told you.
You calling that?
Oh yeah, now you get, you broke red.
Okay.
So yeah, they only had Winchester white box left, and we just really don't like it. We really enjoy shooting the mag tech. That Winchester is a little more dirtier, and it just seems like the mag tech's more accurate.
Yeah, most definitely. As you can see, there's a whole lot of Chester in there. A whole lot of it. So.
Ammo is garbage.
Nah. We're gonna make it do what it do with the Winchester.
No.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That's crazy.
I got a little bit of mag tech. Hey, I got a little bit of mag tech. We can still run this. We can still run this.
Nah, son.
He basically trying to say that it's the ammo fault. Nah.
See, what happened was
We gotta overcome and conquer.
See, what happened was Randy shot it and he realized that white box is trash.
It's good though. It just make it more of a challenge, you know. I'll put it like that. Yeah, I've never bought Winchester.
Yeah, I don't think I'm buying it again. There you go.
That was 5, right?
Yeah.
Must have loaded 6.
There you go. That's crazy. if they broke.
I believe that's.
I don't know if they broke. That one broke. Yeah, they broke. So that's 3.
So you 3-2.
Oh no, I keep going.
3-2 you. All right.
No, you got yeah.
Look, now he hitting. He don't care nothing about that Winchester now.
Nope, I'm still not talking about the Winchester. Nope. Got a little slide bite on that one.
You got slide bite?
I
Oh.
pulled it. Well, I didn't get slide bite, but I was riding the slide. And I felt it.
I don't think that's a line break. Still holding that 3-2.
I ain't see him break until after on my last one.
So you got 4.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It did.
I ain't calling that. I don't want easy. I ain't asked for easy. You know. So 4-2 Joe up.
I'm just not.
See, he's not really talking about the ammo no more because he up right now.
No, honestly, I don't dig the ammo at all. Like, I don't fuck with it. I know that's a crazy thing to say. I'm blaming it on the ammo, but I just don't like the way it shoots.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. This might go into overtime. You never know.
That is so crazy. I shot all around it. See it was boom,
Oh, yeah.
boom, boom. And then I was like, all right, walking over.
Oh yeah.
And it did not work.
That grouping nice though. That grouping nice. We trying to take all the meat off the bone. You know what I'm saying? So it's still 4-4. Yeah.
I mean, so how you like the white box, Randy? Be honest.
Huh?
How you like that white box?
Oh, I'm loving it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, bet. Let me get the rest of your MagTech.
Yeah, you can have my last 75 rounds for the rest of this.
Cool, nah, 75, even trade, because you like the white box so good.
I mean, nah.
Oh.
I'm good on that one. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piece. I got a 6 piece. I got 4 more shots left. The pressure is on. Yeah, I'm loving these Winchesters, y'all. This Winchester, it hit different.
Okay.
Literally and figuratively.
Bet.
Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, let me ask you this: if we calling this, is that the same as that?
I'll leave it up to you.
All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll do it like that. It just make it more interesting. We both got 6, and then you still got 1, 2, 3, 4. You really got an easy route right
No,
here.
it's not an easy route.
You really got an
That's
easy
the plan.
route. So it just make it more interesting. You know?
I mean, we are shooting at 10 yards. Irregardless, bodies would drop, but I'm not happy with my performance today. Or this Winchester.
Yeah. Hey, Winchester, if y'all watching, just know, yeah, I gotta fix this. I gotta fix it.
It was low?
Yeah, I think I got one.
I think you got like 3 of them.
Yeah, I got 1, 2, 3 shots. 3 shots left. It's getting wicked.
You got a piece of it.
See, you got 1. 1, 2. 2? I mean, we'll call it. We'll call it. We'll call it.
I got a piece of it.
Finish him!
Ooh, okay.
I don't know, I couldn't see, but that was looking pretty good to me. I mean, what you think?
Oh, let me go ahead and get my 5. Let's see.
What you mean? Are you trying to do? Hold on, y'all.
No,
hold on.
you
No,
said that.
no.
Hey, we run it just like we run in a beer pong, baby.
All right, we got 1. Wait, 1, 2. We call that a line break. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 line break. So what you telling me is, even though I just shot all them out, you trying to do a redemption?
That's what we do.
Bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Okay. All right.
Ooh. Everything but the kitchen sink. Yep. Hey, the Winchester's the Winchester.
What's you? So now we blaming it on the ammo.
Oh, no. A loss is a loss. A win is a win.
Okay, so let me know in the comments.
What this Mag Tech do?
Nah, run it with the Mag. Hey, run it with the Mag Tech. He want to run it with the Mag Tech. Hey, okay. Let's see what you got with the Mag Tech.
This Mag Tech do? same spot. See, this is what I'm talking about, the mag tech, baby. One more shot.
You can definitely walk down with the mag tech, but
Hey, you got it, Randy.
so
Win is a win.
which one can I take?
What do you mean that?
Oh, what you mean? Which one can I take?
What do you mean that?
Huh?
That's right. Hey, don't forget to sign up for
He said I could take the echelon. I'm not mad at that. I might give it back to him with a silencer. I don't know.
Wouldn't be mad. Wouldn't be mad.
But I mean, hold on, man. This is baby. He sleep with this at night. That thing will probably shoot me if I took it home. But nah, echelon, you see it. You see it. That's Pink Slip Friday for y'all, man. All in all, this is all about just being respectful, being competitive, and just having fun. One day he might get me, and it's gonna hurt.
Hey, that's bullshit. One day is next week. Pink Slip Friday. I'm gonna bust his ass. Is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna bust his ass. Give me that mag tech, and I'm gonna bust his ass.
So basically, he's saying he may have lost the fight, but he ain't lose the battle.
Hey,
but
we always say, run it back.
Yeah, it's all good. I mean, I'm happy with how we both performed, but you know, I had to come out on top.
And we walking to 15-2 next week.
That's cool. And then we'll switch it up. We'll go red dots next time. We'll go red dots. Nah.
Oh, we can definitely do
Okay.
that.
Okay. Yeah, but like I said, this shit was super fun. I'm sorry. I just gotta show y'all this.
Oh, here we go.
This is what I get to take home today. How long I can keep it for?
Oh, we can do it for a week.
For a week?
Yeah, don't worry. I'm gonna hit CVS again. Double check my prescription. Make sure, you know what I'm saying. But
I don't know. I should prank him and get it Cerakoted. Give it back to him with a Cerakote on it. I don't know. But nah, that's all we got for y'all for Pink Slip Friday. Expect many more Pink Slip Fridays. And once again, I thank y'all so much for all of the support. Make sure y'all subscribe. I've been looking at the analytics, and it's a lot of people not subscribed, but they watching the video. I ain't mad at y'all, but just all it takes is one click. You know what I'm saying? Like it, share it, comment, do all that good stuff. And yeah, I appreciate y'all. Hope this was a fire video. Hope y'all like it, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.